Introduction to Data Science. 1. Welcome to this video on data science, a rapidly growing field that involves using various techniques and tools to extract insights and knowledge from data. 2. In this video, I'll provide an overview of what data science is, what skills and tools are required, and some of the real-world applications of this field. What is data science? 1. Data science is the process of using various techniques to extract insights and knowledge from data. 1. This involves a combination of skills and tools from computer science, statistics, and domain expertise. 2. The goal of data science is to use data to inform decision-making, solve complex problems, and drive innovation. Skills and tools. 1. To be a successful data scientist, you need a combination of technical and non-technical skills. 1. Technical skills include programming, statistics, machine learning, data visualization, and database management. 1. Non-technical skills include critical thinking, communication, and problem solving. 2. There are also various tools and technologies used in data science, such as programming languages like Python and R, databases like SQL and NoSQL, and machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Real-world applications. 1. Data science is used in various industries, such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. 2. In healthcare, data science is used to predict patient outcomes, identify disease risk factors, and develop personalized treatments. 3. In finance, data science is used to detect fraud, optimize investment portfolios, and improve customer service. 4. In marketing, data science is used to target customers with personalized ads, predict customer churn, and optimize pricing strategies. Conclusion. 1. In conclusion, data science is a rapidly growing field with diverse applications and opportunities. 2. Whether you're interested in a career in data science or just want to learn more about this field, there are many resources available online to help you get started. 2. So start exploring and have fun learning.